In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points to Google Sheets. So there's no inbuilt feature for adding bullet points to Google Sheets, but there are some things you can do to get bullet points in there. I'm going to show you 4 methods for doing that. So the first method is just a keyboard shortcut. You'll just be using your keyboard to add a bullet point to your spreadsheet. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the number lock is enabled on your keyboard. On a lot of computers, this method won't work unless your number lock is enabled. So after you have your number lock enabled, what you want to do is double click in a cell and then you press Alt and 7 on your keypad. So it has to be on your numeric keypad. Don't use the numbers at the top, otherwise it won't work, and that will add a bullet point. So again, it's Alt and 7 on the numeric keypad. And again, make sure you have that number lock enabled. And then after you have your first one, you can copy and paste this if you want to have it on other cells. So that's the first method, just using your keyboard. The second method is just copying and pasting a bullet point from a different application. So what I mean by that is if you have like a Google Doc, you can add a bullet point and then double click on the bullet point. If sometimes if you click and hold and try to drag, it's not going to really work right, so actually double click on it. Copy, so you can either right click and copy or Control C. It looks like they have options here too for other kinds of bullet points if you want to add something else instead of just like a dot. So I copy and then I go back to my spreadsheet, paste. That is another way, copying and pasting from other applications. So you can copy from a Word, PowerPoint, Google Slides, Google Docs, probably a bunch of others. So the next way I'm going to show is adding a bullet point using custom formatting. So this is good if you have a long list of data already in your spreadsheet that you're trying to add bullet points to. So you'll just be changing the format to add a custom format to everything. So what you want to do here is highlight the cells that you want to add the bullet points to. So I just have this list here. I'm going to highlight all those. And then you go to Format, Number, and then down at the bottom, it's More Formats, Custom Number Format. So then you want to add a bullet point to this. So you'd be doing that same thing we did in the first method. It's Alt and 7 on your keypad. And then you want to add this, the @ symbol. And then you hit Apply. And so that is a custom format that will add bullet points to everything you have highlighted, or you can do it to the entire column so that everything you enter will have bullet points. And then the next method is just to use the character function and put in the character number for a bullet point, which is 8226. So what that looks like is character 8226. So that's going to be a bullet point, or you can use this formula here, character 8226 and space and your cell reference, using it in a formula to add bullet points to your existing data. That is the last method of adding bullet points, which is useful. So those are 4 different ways to add bullet points. Again, there's no built-in feature to do it, but with these methods, you can do it. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions or content suggestions, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try my best to answer everyone.